Good morning. Please excuse my voice. I've been feeling sick lang po due to so much traveling. But I will tell you guys, I'm so happy to be back here. The last time I was here, I made a promise to each and every one of you that I will bring home a crowd. And with God's grace, I am back now with a crowd. And throughout my journey, I've had so much fun representing the beautiful province of Isabela and the beautiful city of Ilagan. And I would like to extend my utmost gratitude to our city mayor and to our vice city mayor and to our local tourism officers, the LGU, and to you guys, Ilaganios. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. And sobrang proud akong i-announce that I will now not just represent the city of Ilagan and the province of Isabela, but the Philippines in an international stage in the upcoming Miss Tourism World that will be held in China. So, hihingi lang po ulit ako ng suporta, and I will promise you guys again that I will bring the pride of Ilagan and the province of Isabela and our country, the Philippines, once again. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay kayo lahat.